What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. You're watching Tom Trips Out, and in this episode we're talking about using winning beer ring pulls at bars in Campot. My name's Tom, this is my trip out.
Well, hey everybody, come along with me. Take a trip to a place to find what I see. Meet people, eat food, see the joy they bring, and how much it costs to try new things. Well, come and watch me on my trip out. My name's Tom, this is my trip out.
Okay, so I'm out here. I'm not too far from where I live. It's like maybe 1 kilometer. Alright, so we're hopefully going to check out 5 different bars and resorts that accept 2 winning beer ring pulls for 1 beer. So let's get in there. We're at this bar, Campot Yacht Club. We've got 2 ring pulls with their name on it. Let's go. So there's the board for they do authentic, like English Sunday roast with the Yorkshire pudding and everything. Chicken, pork, duck, or lamb. There it is. So here's the moment of truth. Will I just replace it with another winning one when I open this one here? Let's see. Yes. See that? I just won again. So there you have it. Free beer, then I just won another free beer. You need 2 at a bar. I will see you at the next bar. And look, I don't know if you can see that, there's the moon. It's getting darker. So this is a bungalow resort, and it was one I was considering moving to when I chose the one I chose, but I ended up not choosing this one. It's called Bohemia's. I'll go over to their bar. As you can see, there's like little bungalows. We'll see if I can capture some without people thinking I'm a weirdo. Looks like a really cool atmosphere in here. Big pool. Here we go, here's the bar. We'll get a spot here away from everybody. Okay, it's the moment of truth. Will I win again? Let's see. Yes, I won again. So as you can see, you win a lot. So for these beers I've been drinking tonight, I'm 2 for 2 already. So actually, if we find another bar that does this, we could add a 6th bar to this video because I've got 2 extra ring pulls now to get 1 more beer. Alright, I'll see you guys in the tuk-tuk ride. So we're downtown in Campot now, and the next bar is called the Bird's Nest. And what's cool about them is on their logo they have a big Canada flag, so I bet you the owners are part Canadian. So I could go in there and tell them I'm from Toronto, tell them to keep their stick on the ice, and friggin' right buddy, let's get in there and get a brewski, eh bro? Okay, let's see what this place looks like. Moment of truth. Let's see if we can be 3 for 3. Will I win on this 3rd beer at the Bird's Nest? Yes! Oh my god! 3 for 3! Friggin' right, buddy! Cheers, guys. Keep your stick on the ice. All right, I'll see you over at the next bar. Okay, so we're walking over to the next bar now. It's called the Squinting Cat. My band actually played there a couple times. All right, let's get a beer. 2 ring pulls, gets a beer. Let's see. No, it's a loser. So we lost, it was a loser. So we're 3 for 4 now. See you at the next bar. All right, we're at the next bar, Studebaker Guest House. It's a new owner now in the last couple of months, and it's from Chicago. They have $1 cocktails here, and they also do the ring pulls, and it's a guest house. Do you do the ring pulls here? Like two ring pulls for a beer? All right. All right, we're here at Studebaker Guest House. Awesome, thank you. All right, so now it's the moment of truth. So let's see number 5 now. Winner! So tonight we went to 5 bars and I got 4 out of 5. I won another beer. All right, so that was Studebaker Guest House. I'm walking out of there now. You can use the ring pulls to get free beers at even the bars and resorts. That's gonna do it for this episode. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button. And until next time, remember, how you spend your days is the way you spend your life. It's never too late to start tripping out.
Life is tall.